What's going on YouTube? It's Andrew, if you guys didn't know. Last episode or 2 episodes ago I said the car started. It did start. It doesn't start now. Battery was completely dead when I came out to it today and went to put the jump pack on it and it just click, 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 click. No key in the ignition at all. The starter was clicking. So I'm going to pull the starter out. We're going to see if the starter's good. It's a weird thing for a starter to do on its own and just go bad that way. I don't know. I'll bring it to get tested or hook it up to a battery and test it. I don't know. We'll find out. Alright, up in here, I don't know if you can see that. That's where the starter is, up under the intake manifold. Let's see if we can get it. I'm not going to be able to film that. Ugh. Way too tight of a spot to film. So, got the bottom one off. That's just one bolt down there, one 14mm, and a little quick disconnect wire, and I think it's a 13mm bolt for the power wire. Make sure you disconnect the battery. You can't really see it, but down in here there's a 12mm there and a 12mm back there. And then the whole thing should just plop right out. Suggestion, put a bolt in like a thread or 2 on the bottom so it doesn't fall out or have some. Okay, have the starter out. Now I'm going to go down to the parts store, have them test it because I don't feel like hooking it up to the battery because the battery is dead. That means I gotta charge the battery or take a battery from my other car to test it. So I'll be back. I'm gonna charge the camera while I'm gone. Kind of a bummer, kind of not at the same time. Starter is not bad. Well, at least it doesn't test bad. Tested it about, say, 12 times. Nothing abnormal happening. Plus side, I don't have to spend about 130 bucks on a starter. It's the original starter, so I prefer to keep the original starter and not go with the aftermarket remanufactured garbage. So time to put the starter back in, so that kind of sucks that I gotta do that all over again, but it rolls out one more thing. I should probably start diagnosing instead of actually just guessing at it, since I have 2 of every single part. As you can see, my garage is kind of full of parts. Alright, okay, now the car doesn't turn over at all. I think it's bad ground. We'll figure this out. happened there? I put these on, quick disconnects for gauges or monitoring, and I don't know if that's causing interference, so we're gonna add just the factory plug back onto it, take that out. And it started. Let's hope we just need to put the battery in fully charged and it always starts and doesn't die again. Okay, battery's in. Let's hope it doesn't go dead and hope it starts. First try. Boom. That's awesome. Let's hope the battery doesn't go dead this time. And hopefully that's the end of the problems and I can trust the car again. That way I can go to work. By the way, thumbs up for Mazda 6 steering wheel. Now, let's just test this one more time. Nice. Fingers still work. That is it for this video. Hopefully this is the end of this problem and we can get back to actually putting the motor back together, and we got to sand the hood and back bumper I really don't want to salvage these because they're all chipping and everything. They've been painted so many times with spray paint, it's ridiculous. We're going to paint it with the gun. That's the nice part. I'm getting paint and everything together. Yeah, hopefully this car becomes one color. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about anything, leave it in the comments below. I'll try and help you guys out. If you guys like what we do, hit the subscribe button. It really helps. Thanks, guys. See you later.